Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to make a lovely pineapple cake, and my ingredients are half a pineapple, baking powder, desiccated coconut, plain flour and Demerara sugar. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by cutting out the pineapple into nice little pieces. So now you can see just how I've chopped up the pineapples into small little pieces. So you'll be left with the outside of the pineapple skin, looking something like that. Make sure that the skin doesn't go into the cake. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this pineapple into the blender so it can become into a juice. So we're just going to let this blend for approximately 30 seconds. So once you have blended the pineapples, we can then start adding in the flour and the sugar and coconut. So starting with the flour, we're going to add in 2 cups of flour. And next we're going to add in a half a cup of Demerara sugar. And then next we're going to add in a half a cup of desiccated coconut. And then we're going to mix that all around so the ingredients can blend all together. And then I'm also going to add in a spoon of baking powder and give that another mix. And so now our last ingredient to add is the pineapple. So pour your pineapple into the mix and then give it a mix around together. And so then once it's all mixed, you'll end up with a moist dough that looks something like that. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to add it into the baking tin. So I've just lined my tin with greaseproof paper. So now we're going to add the mixture into the tin. So once you've added it all into your baking tin, then you're just going to use your spatula and spread it out nice and evenly within the tray. Now, so it's all ready for it to go in the oven. So I've put my oven already on a preheat of 200 degrees. So we're going to let this cook for approximately 40 minutes. So keep checking on it maybe every 15 minutes just to make sure it's doing okay. And I'm going to reduce the heat down to 150 degrees and let it cook for 40 minutes. So just taking it out of the oven after 15 minutes of cooking. So you can see it's starting to brown over this side. It's still quite moist. So we're just going to put it back in the oven and it has another 25 minutes to cook. So now the pineapple cake is out of the oven after 40 minutes of cooking. So we're just going to check in the center. Let's put our knife through. And we can see that it's not too wet inside, which means it's nice and moist. It's already cooked nicely. So now we're just going to put it on a cooling rack. So I'm just going to leave it on the cooling rack for approximately 5 minutes just so it can cool down before we start to slice it. So now it's all nicely cooled down. So I've just sliced into it so you can see inside the cake. So it looks delicious and I gave it a little taste and it's really nice. So guys, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching everybody. Have a lovely day.